Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is Google Pixel 3a G020F, and in this video I am going to show you how to enable one-handed mode on this device. Alright, so to do this we have to open our settings. Then right here we have to choose System. Now we have to open Gestures, and right here we have to click on a one-handed mode. Now here we have to click on this button right here, and now by clicking this right here we are gonna enable one-handed mode. And basically that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!